In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change a clan name in Raid Shadow Legends. Intro. Now, only the clan leader can change the clan name from the Bastion, so essentially you need to open up clan and then go to the clan info tab up at the very top. You're going to see its little name there, right there. Simply go ahead and select the edit button besides the current clan details and enter in the new clan that you want to use. You can also update the clan tag during this process. Just make sure that you check the spelling carefully and then confirm the change, because renaming the clan costs 100 gems, which are taken from the clan leader's account. Or if the game says the name specifically is unavailable, another clan might already be using it, so make sure you try a different name or spelling. Once confirmed, the updated name will appear for all clan members and in clan search results. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.